Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about the pattern feature. So the pattern feature located in the 3D model tab. Up top we have got the pattern features located again right here at the pattern tab beside work features. So what I want to do is I want to take this extrusion and I want to pattern it along this circular base of the pipe fitting that I've got created. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here to pattern, circular pattern, and I'm going to select my extrusion number 4. As you'll see, it highlights it. Now, once I've selected the features that I would like, I'm going to select my rotational axis selection arrow. I'm going to select an axis which is concentric to the axis that I want to rotate it around. So in this case, I could select a number of different features, but I'm going to click the inner part of the tube just for simplicity. So as you will see, it now populates this with multiple occurrences of my first extrusion. So I can change the number. If I want to go up to 12, I can populate it with a lot more. I'm going to stick with 6 right now. And I can also change degree. So if I want to go a full circle, I'm going to leave it at 360. But if I only want to go half, I can change that to half at 180 degrees. Again, I'm going to stick with 360 at this time. So I can also change the orientation. I can flip these axes, and a number of different modifications can take place right here in the circular pattern bar. So I'm going to click OK. And as you'll see, it has patterned my extrusions. So to edit that one, again, I can go over here to circular pattern within my model bar. I can right click it, edit feature, and that pops right back up for me to edit it. So I'm going to get rid of this for 1 second. I'm going to go to my second part, which is part number 5. So I've got a flat non-circular pattern that I'm going to complete here. So what I want to do is I'm going to go back up to my pattern feature. I'm going to go up top to the rectangular pattern or rectangular array. I'm going to click it this time. And I'm going to go back and select my feature. Extrusion number 3 is the feature that I want. So I'm going to select that one. So now we have to assign a direction to it. For this first one, I'm going to click direction number 1. I'm going to select my direction arrow, and then I want to click a plane or an edge that goes in the direction that I want to pattern this feature. So I'm going to select this middle one right here, and as you will see, it selects that I want to go laterally right here, but I need to flip the direction, which is located right here. So there's my first one. For direction number 2, because I want more instances going this way, I'm going to select direction number 2 selection arrow, and I'm going to select a line or an edge or a face that goes in that direction, in this case an edge. And as you can see, it is already starting to pattern my instances. However, my spacing is not correct at this point. If I want to adjust how many instances I have, I can adjust for more occurrences right here. I can add or subtract them. And then the distance between the occurrences is right here. So I'm going to change that one to 40 mils according to my part. And I'm going to change the second direction again to 40 mils for my part. So now that I've got all of this selected, as you can see, there's a number of different things that I can change here, but I'm going to keep things the way I like it right here because it fits my part. So with all this adjustability, this is something you're allowed to play with and change in order to get your pattern feature correct. So once I've got everything correct, I'm going to select OK. And as you'll see, it has patterned my feature. So again, this is just a quick video. We've covered the rectangular array, which is located right here for this part. And for parts with radial symmetry or radial geometry, we've covered circular array.